Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Barbie makeup filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here, slide right until you see appearance. Go there. Okay, slide up now. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and search for Barbie makeup. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use the filter. Likewise, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, again you'll be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.